Well, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna review the K&F Concept, the Nano series filter kit that has a bunch of things, but what I'm really excited, it's in very small letters over here, it's the magnetic kit filters. Now, K&F Concept sent me those filters for free, but they had no opinion how I'm gonna evaluate these filters. So all that you're gonna see on this video are my honest opinion. Now, this kit, you have three filters, okay? The UV light filter, polarized filter, and the 10 stops of light reducer. Now, I am using the 77mm, but there is all size lenses, okay? Let's open. Oh, there is a nice pouch inside, nice. Some documents inside. Here is a nice pouch. So immediately on the back, there is some Velcro, so you can put this with your belt. Very stylish. So this pouch is kind of made as water resist. Inside you can see that there is a different filter separated. This way of protection, it's thick. So actually this is supposed to be a review about filters, and I am reviewing the box of the filters. That's okay. Let's start from the front here. This bad boy will screw on your lens. It doesn't look like the magnets is inside, so I imagine that the magnets is on the filters then. So this one is the UV light. It has the threads to screw on the lens itself without needing the adapter. That's very interesting. It has a really good texture, so you can grip easily on the filter to screw in and screw. So I don't really use this UV filter as a protection, but as a safety feature. Imagine, for example, you are photographing rally cars, okay? And some rally car sends a bunch of dust to your lens. Now, you need to photograph the car that it's coming, okay? And you don't have time to clean the lens. You just remove the UV filter and you have a clean lens to keep photographing, and you can clean it and put it back. Let's go to the other ones. This one is the ND1000, so this filter will remove 10 stops of light. So I'm expecting that this filter has the exact same quality as the square filter ones that I really like, and I'm starting to use it a lot. The polarizing one. Funny enough, this polarizing filter, it doesn't have any moving parts. So I assume that this will work with the magnetic filter. You just rotate it around to cause the effect that you want. So this is my polarized filter, a traditional one. Look how thick is this filter. Comparing with the K&F Concept one, damn. As you can see, I am already using the pouch here, and there you go, very nice. The filters won't fall, so let's put that in the camera and see what we get. Pick up the magnetic ring, screw it in. Oh, it's so thin. It becomes almost invisible on the lens. I'm gonna use first the polarized filter and let's see the magic happen. Oh, it's so satisfying when you put it on the camera. Listen to this. Ah, there you go. It will work like so. And very thin, very smooth, very nice. If the lens hood is on, yeah, it's a little bit difficult to rotate the filter inside. It's hard because it doesn't have this texture on the corners here that makes this thing easy to rotate. With a lens hood, this gets way easier to do. Maybe on the next generation K&F Concept add that small detail. As it is a polarized filter, you just rotate and it removes the reflection. Bada bing, bada boom. Now, imagine if I want to use two filters at the same time. So let's add the polarized filter and let's add the 1000 ND filter. Okay, it works very well because the magnets are in the filter themselves, not on the ring that screws onto the lens. So it will always retain its power. Very nice indeed. How powerful is this magnets? Let's try to find an answer to that. So let me try the 1000 ND filter. Well, it's good enough. So I want to test the ND1000 filter, but I want to test on the different lenses, not this one. So this is the Laowa D-Dreamer 15mm f2 lens, and let's replace with this one. Now, if you know this lens, you know that this lens has a 72mm diameter filter holder. That means you cannot attach 77mm directly here. You need an adapter. And honestly, this is a quick tip for you guys. Just when you buy filters, and good and expensive filters, well, this K&F Concept, it's not really that expensive, but if you buy filters, use the bigger diameter that you're gonna use on your lenses, and buy really cheap diameter risers adapters, okay? So this one is to 72 to 77mm, so it's perfect. Let's put on the top of the adapter the magnetic ring. This is strange. I have an adapter from 72 to 77mm and I have an adapter so the magnetic will work on this bad boy. And let's put the 1000 ND filter. So my exposure, it's pretty damn simple. I am at f22 and I am in 100 ISO and 30 seconds of exposure. That means that we're gonna see the sky really busy. So yeah, because the clouds will move a lot during 30 seconds. It starts to rain a little bit. The magnetic filters are brand new. The problem of that is that we don't have much choices, at least yet. So these three filters are excellent for someone that is starting photography, okay, excellent. But for example, if you want to do video, a really good filter is an ND variable filter. For example, this one, that again, it's more expensive than the whole kit combined, and this bad boy changes from 2 stops to 8 stops by simply rotating. There you go, the magnetic kit filter from K&F Concept. And drop a like if you learned something, comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. I am Miguel, until next time, see ya.